You get into your car, turn the key, and absolutely nothing happens. Or maybe you were trying to park, and the dashboard is lighting up like a Christmas tree warning you about the transmission. If you scan your vehicle and see the code P07B6, you're dealing with the Transmission Park Position Sensor A Circuit Performance High. This sounds like a mouthful, but it is actually a very critical safety feature. Basically, your car needs to know for a fact that the transmission is in park before it will let the starter engage. This prevents you from accidentally starting the car while it is in gear and having it lurch forward or backward. This code means the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, is getting a signal from that park sensor circuit that is way out of the expected range. It is seeing high performance, which in electrical terms usually means high voltage or a signal that doesn't make sense for the current situation. When this system fails, the car might go into a fail-safe mode. The most common symptom is a no-start condition because the computer thinks the car might be in gear, so it cuts power to the starter to be safe. Alternatively, you might be unable to shift out of park, or the indicator light on your dash might show the wrong gear. Troubleshooting this starts with a little bit of research and a good visual check. Since this is an electrical circuit issue, you want to locate the park position sensor on your transmission. It is often on the side of the transmission case or part of the linkage where the shift cable connects. Look closely at the wiring harness connected to it. These wires are exposed to the elements, road debris, and heat. You are looking for any signs of corrosion, melted insulation, or wires that have rubbed through against the metal chassis. A corroded connector is a very common cause for that high circuit reading because it adds resistance. If the visual inspection looks okay, you will need a digital multimeter to really diagnose it. You would need to check if the sensor is receiving the correct voltage from the computer and if it is sending the right signal back when you move the shifter. If you see 12 volts going in but nothing coming out, or a weird fluctuating voltage, the sensor itself is likely dead. However, if the wiring is damaged, simply replacing the sensor won't fix it. You have to repair the connection. In some rare cases, this can be an issue with the computer itself, but you always want to rule out the cheap stuff like